Hi, my name is Alexis Guerreros. I'm a business consultant. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your marketing promotions stick. Now, tricky question. People have been asking it from the beginning of time, certainly since the beginning of promotions or marketing promotions. And if you can be the one to figure this out 100%, you're going to be a billionaire. Because frankly, what everyone does is try different things. There's a couple different ways you can look at it, a couple different meters that you want to measure before you decide what you want to do. Before you start, I would really start to consider what you like. What's a jingle that's stuck in your head? What's a marketing piece or a commercial you've seen or a print ad you've seen that's stuck in your mind? Start with there. What you want to do is evaluate. And I'm going to talk about this a lot, because what you want to do is really focus on what makes what you're looking at good. So evaluate, what about it do you like? So you have a jingle stuck in your head. Why? Is it the tune? Is it the beat? Is it the words? So you want to continuously evaluate what you're looking at. And also go back to what you've done in the past, even if it hasn't worked. And the reason is what you want to do is find out why. So evaluation is really just asking why. Why good? Or why bad? Give yourself some pros and cons and understand why something worked versus why it didn't. Now, the more pros you can come up with, try to come up with a marketing promotion or campaign that really has all of the values of the pro list that you created. So really all of the good. What was it the good that you've seen, you've heard, or you've done? And try to put that together in one. Now, it's not anywhere near as easy as the way that I just explained it. This is very difficult, and some folks get paid a lot of money to do this, and sometimes even they're wrong. So what you want to do is just try to put out the best thing you can do. Now, even if it goes wrong, go right back to evaluating why that is and try something else, try it again. The most important thing you're doing, even when it's bad, I'm sure you've heard the term bad publicity is still publicity. The reason why that is because every time you're coming out with a different promotion, you're putting your name out there. Folks are seeing your name. Good, bad, or indifferent, they're seeing what you are. So continuously evaluate, and good luck with your promotions.